Me de Isaac Kwadwampo, obetumi afem the great ampo mbrembren. Wonu me nka mo ni ehwe too much G8. Too much G8. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
For me, my obibia aquaba the battle matching age anything so money about some for Mexico and I'm in the trending news ever so and saying to me and I ex-president Jerry John Rawlings ebe free man Ghana ha aye and so and I am Martin Amidu and also special prosecutor one also resign just Ghana ha na party true bebre John Madrid and I canceling so Kwame Asare upon Albany Dudona Nimono say or the A plus or no say open someone pa a musician a politician and saying them crowd in the Jumedia would you know a general manager a class media one on so Ababejana drench and then someone working or see MPP founder no any MPP aban beginning now can very good now so say MPP need they almost corrupt now need some no can ko see say and MPP aban no am Kuffour true bebre I disappointed and Kuffour be na 2016 one more supporting and so I disappointed in it no MPP aban e be ya fear we dey say kwa na omo connect for in some more kind of bumping phone be our this summer disappointed and when Joe be adding Mr. Martin Amidu Din Womo now was about Vim Lady Dr. Kobe Mensa Professor HK Prempe Kofi Bento Bright Simmons Franklin Kwadwo just say wabubo din our patches and some Kuffour way then I disappointed and tear for the asher for in some more kind and they are no washing a me person say no was can me this sound seminar ever twiga a day amamu and see to be honest MPP is a great party. The only problem is that in choosing a flag bearer to lead them into the 2016 election, they brought a lemon. They brought a lemon. Some can say, I say this government is made up of criminals who have cooked the book multiple times with impurity because they believe that they are the real owners of the country and that Ghana has no history without them. They are as crooked as a dogs. Dogs hate. Dogs hide leg and must be removed. And sir, now and so wow, shen your course so I can't yet. Or see driver with a fake driver's license will steal the daily sales and help his mate to steal his passengers' goods. That is how best to describe Addo and his government. I used to assert that Nana Addo is not in cohorts with the criminals in his government. That is barefaced lie. He knows everything. He is part of everything. To find favor in this government, you are required to remain silent and have an unrestrained appetite for stealing. In some way, I know yes. Now, and see wow, to us, so we must all come together to see the back of this particular MPP. They are a disgrace to the Dankwabuzia Dumbu tradition. Now, Wakosuka say, J.A. Kuffour sacked Osafumanfo. J.A. Kuffour didn't want Nana Addo to be president. J.A. Kuffour was right. Long life, John Ejekum Kuffour. Long life, original New Patriotic Party. And now it's one or two so. Short life is current fake. China's fake. MPP lead by the Sakawa boys. And your A plus and someone what can I say? MPP are binary full of corruption. Just said they are corrupted. Now I hear them are bang way. Woman Omunila kata share proye criminals in Kwabebu mine. Or purchase election year on the 7th December, a year election, because of voting no Ghana for Mumma Meninda. Namon to abano entia a MPP abano. If we say ocean in Semunimwa, purchase the whole Ghana no, say see a year corrupted. And Akoban so say a year in Kofuku, Chess and Kofu Tichu, Momodio Makuma, a supporting a bane caneno. Woman I disappointed. A teacher said, Ghana for instance on my game. Now it's here for Oceans and their brandy. I didn't send back to Jana in someone walk a woman, a child that pass a MPP a buying no a corrupt. Now one mistake a crowd one year and say, I won't offer a year is excellent. Nana Addo down quite a Kuffour. I didn't buy a flag bearer. That means and only the West's mistake. 1 more year. Now, who should they cast more? Now, I say a year with resignation letter. I call back say Mr. Martin Amedu. I resign, ya no more patches say, cool Jesus, and yes, sir. Will resign, as say, or what is a look dear, and they say, a monkey can't be a yes, a one ya, and why a people are buying him didn't Juma, and if found dear be nice, a one yanina, acquire senia, yet to me, I'm farmer, and no, and Akoba say, Ama was a son, I drink so one on, while resign on to me near Juma, let's hear for an asher for more mushes and a brandy away, and to me at this a year president of what so, any the way I can and some more. What do you mean? Was a wagon chair, and who bring answer what do I drink chair, a bed to job. Now, one subscriber, so I know about more than no subscribers and a bear too much if you can say, did you make dear Pia to one, so one sat ever to me, I can be. Not only that will share, I will like a diplomatic channel way, and a day in so many about Mexico, and I did you make the best so me. I had a demo basic, that's a name, your best sign, Asia Macron.
Too much GH. We are Buewate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Too much GH. Me did I say Japan. A prepare and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam I say love you.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone. But you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Wan't. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.